Welcome to Higospot channel. If you've ever opened your Messages app and realized some of your important text messages are not there, and want to get them back, we've got you covered. There may be a few iPhone messages recovery methods to get all messages back on your iPhone that were deleted recently or permanently, or disappeared suddenly. We've all been there when clearing out some text messages to save space, but by accident, you delete the critical ones. Maybe you accidentally deleted an important conversation at once. Or you accidentally deleted a text or an irreplaceable photo from a thread. Perhaps the old messages from months or even year ago are suddenly disappeared because your iPhone is set to automatically deleted the old messages after 30 days or 1 year. Or even you've lost the messages after switching to a new iPhone or syncing with iCloud. But don't panic. Those messages aren't completely gone yet. Whether you have a backup or not, it's still possible to get all text messages back to the iPhone, including recently deleted messages, permanently deleted messages, and old messages that are missing. Let's get started. For years, the easiest iPhone SMS recovery way is getting messages back on iPhone from iCloud. Starting from iOS 16, if you deleted the messages within the last 30 days, the recently deleted folder becomes the absolute easiest method, which makes recovering deleted text messages on iPhone even more straightforward, even without an iCloud backup or computer backup. To get messages back on iPhone after recently deleted, open your Messages app. Tap menu icon in the top right corner, and select Recently Deleted. Here, you'll see every conversation you've wiped recently. Just select the threads you need, tap Recover in the bottom right corner, and choose Recover Messages to kick off the recovery. All of your recently deleted messages are instantly restored right back to your main inbox. Alright, if you can't find your text messages in the recently deleted folder which appears to be empty, it's likely that they have been removed permanently. How do you get back those messages on the iPhone if you deleted them for good? It's not hard, and the convenient option to recover deleted iPhone messages is downloading them from iCloud. But note that this only works if messages in iCloud has already been turned on inside settings before the deletion or loss, and if you act quickly before iCloud starts the synchronization. To download messages from iCloud, open Settings app, and tap Your Name at the top. Then choose iCloud. Under Save to iCloud section, tap Message. When you reach Messages in iCloud screen, toggle off use on this iPhone. From the prompt that appears, choose Disable and Download Messages. Wait for a moment or two, and turn on the Use on this iPhone option. Now, go back to Messages inbox, and you'll see a progress bar indicating the iCloud syncing process. When done, your lost or permanently deleted messages should download and return to the conversation list. Let's face it, iCloud, at a random moment, syncs your device data and any change you made to your data. For example, the text messages deleted, lost or disappeared from your iPhone could also delete it from iCloud. In case you fail to get back text messages on iPhone from iCloud, or you don't have an iCloud backup or computer backup to restore your deleted texts, an ultimate solution is to try a dedicated tool called Higospot iPhone Data Recovery. It helps users to recover deleted messages from iPhone without backup or with it. Whether you erased an important text thread or can't find your old messages, the utility offers a solid solution by deeply scanning your iPhone's internal memory to pull out fragments of data that haven't been overwritten yet, letting you preview and retrieve your recently or permanently deleted messages in a few simple clicks. I've left the safe, official link for this iPhone Messages recovery tool down in the video description below so you can download it and bring back all your old deleted message conversations and attachments without affecting any current phone data. Okay, on your PC or Mac, launch the software, then on the main screen choose iPhone Data Recovery module. To recover the deleted or lost messages on iPhone without a backup, select Recover from iOS device mode from the sidebar, which is checked by default. Next, connect your phone to your computer. When it's recognized, click Start Scan button. The software now begins scanning the internal memory and displays all recoverable data on the right pane. The whole process will take a few minutes. After the deep scan, click Messages on the left column. You can now actually preview all your permanently deleted text messages. When you click on a conversation, you can check the texts, photos and other attachments on the far right pane. Just check the boxes for the old messages or threads you want, click Recover button at the lower right corner, choose an output folder on your computer, and finally, hit Recover button to start the recovery for getting back all the iPhone text messages. When done, you're directed to see the recovered messages on your computer. Besides that, Higospot iPhone Data Recovery utility can also restore messages from an iCloud backup or iTunes backup. Unlike Apple's route that requires to restore the whole device and replace the existing data, The software can access the backup file, allowing you actually preview the messages and recover the ones you prefer without erasing all data and settings. Method number 5, getting permanently deleted messages back on iPhone from iCloud backup. If your messages disappeared weeks or months ago, an older backup may still contain them. So, you must have a backup saved before the date you deleted those messages. You can check the backup date through Settings app. Once you open it, tap your name at the top, select iCloud, then tap iCloud Backup. Under All Devices Backup section, tap on your iPhone's name. If the backup was created before the messages disappeared or deleted, you can restore it. Restoring messages from an iCloud backup to your iPhone requires you to completely factory reset the device, meaning that any file that's not in the backup will be deleted. If you're okay with that, head to Settings, tap General, then scroll down and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. On the next screen, select Erase All Content and Settings. When asked to erase your iPhone, tap Continue, Erase iPhone, then enter your iPhone passcode, let the device back up itself, and then begin the factory reset process. After a few minutes, your phone reboots to the Hello screen. Go through the setup process like select your language and region, connect to an active Wi-Fi network, set up Face ID and passcode. When you land on the Transfer Your Apps and Data screen, choose from iCloud Backup. Sign in with your Apple account and password. Then choose the correct backup file that includes the text messages you'd like to bring back. You can't see the exact messages here. The device begins restoring itself to the state it was in when the backup was created. This recovers your lost texts to the native messages inbox, as well as any backed up data. This method also works when you need to get all messages back on your new iPhone. The last method is to auto-delete setting for messages. This is not the solution for iPhone message recovery, but it can stop your older texts from disappearing without deleting manually. Your iPhone can automatically erase old messages to free up space. When you find your older conversations vanished suddenly, check if the automatic deletion feature was enabled. Go to Settings app, scroll down and tap Apps, then select Messages. From there, scroll through the screen until you see Messages History section. Tap on Keep Messages. You'll see 3 options: 30 days, 1 year, and forever. If it is set to 30 days or 1 year, older chat history may have been removed automatically. To prevent this from happening again, choose Forever. Keep in mind that, if your messages are missing this way, the only way to get back your old texts back to your iPhone is to restore a backup. As you can see, losing or deleting a text message doesn't mean it's gone forever. There are a few proven methods to try for getting back all messages on your iPhone with or without a backup. The sooner you attempt recovery, the better your chances. If this video helped you recover your messages, make sure to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below letting me know which method worked for you, and subscribe for more step-by-step tech guides. See you in the next one.